As we begin this holy month of October, my darling child, remember that this is your season of divine transformation and plenty of blessings. I am bestowing upon you the very blessings and graces required for you to face the next phase of your life with bravery, fortitude, and self-assurance. This is not just another month on the calendar, rather, it is a holy season full of fresh starts, divine opportunities, and boundless joy. As you look forward with eager expectation, know that I am working in your life in ways that you are not yet able to see, and that the answers you have been praying for a long time are going to materialize in my perfect timing. October will be a time of extraordinary favor for you and your household. You are stepping into a season of consecutive victories, healing for your weary soul, and unexpected blessings that will lead to a profound sense of financial freedom and spiritual growth. Every aspect of your life will be touched by my grace. What has been broken will be restored, and what seemed lost will be returned to you tenfold. You are on the brink of breakthroughs greater than you have ever imagined. Do not let your heart grow weary, my child, for your dreams are closer than ever before. In the heavenly realm, everything is falling into perfect alignment. Even now there is no need for you to strive or struggle, for my divine flow is guiding you. If you feel resistance or confusion, know that I am redirecting you toward a higher path, one that is prepared specifically for you. What is meant for you will come to you with ease, for my plans are unstoppable. You do not need to chase your destiny, it is already unfolding before you. Be still, and this year has truly been a monument to your tenacity and faith. I have witnessed every tear you have shed, heard every whispered prayer, and I am moving on your behalf. Trust in my timing, because I am faithful to finish the good work I have begun in you. I promise never to abandon you. Exodus 31 verse 8. You are not alone on this journey. I am arranging every detail for you. When you are feeling down, give me your worries, and I will tend to your needs. Let go of the hurt, and have faith that I will lead you to a place of recovery. You are chosen, cherished, and deeply loved, and you know that I am working miracles behind the scenes to align circumstances and people in your favor. Your only task is to trust me completely and embrace the joy that I have set before you. Hold on to the vision I have placed within your heart, because everything is coming together even when you cannot see it. You are walking into a season of unimaginable blessings and victories. You can rise today with the full assurance that I am with you, going before you to prepare the way. Have trust that I am going to work mighty changes in your life. The best is yet to come, my dear child. Type 1111, accept this word from God and know that I am with you now and forever. The Lord is speaking to your heart today, dear one. You are on a sacred path of transformation, guided by divine purpose. Your soul is awakening to its true identity as you release old beliefs and burdens that no longer serve you. Do not be afraid, for the Lord is with you, leading every step of this journey. You are being called to embrace your divine purpose and step fully into the reason you were created. Be strong and courageous, for the time has come to break free from past limitations. The chains that once held you back are being shattered, and you are emerging in the Lord's light, ready to step into the future He has designed for you, a future filled with blessings beyond your imagination. Remember, the Lord's love for you is limitless. He has allowed this season of waiting to refine and prepare you. Those who wait on the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles, run without growing weary, and walk without fainting. Trust that what you receive as delays are actually the Lord's divine preparation shaping you to carry the weight of the blessings He is about to release. Let go of striving and rest in the Lord's timing. The blessings meant for you will come effortlessly, flowing in His perfect will. You don't need to chase after your destiny, for it is already moving toward you. Everything is aligning in ways beyond your understanding, and the Lord is working behind the scenes to bring your breakthrough into reality. You have outgrown the season of settling for less. You are stepping into your full power, radiating the Lord's light and walking in your divine purpose. What no longer serves you is falling away, making room for the abundant blessings the Lord is preparing for you. Now is the moment to rise in faith. Trust in the divine plan the Lord is unfolding, holding. You are walking into a new chapter, an era of divine favor, grace, and fulfillment. The Lord is working in new ways even now. Can you not see them? Trust in His plan. He is with you, guiding you at every step. Prepare your heart, beloved. You are about to experience a breakthrough that will astound you. Type 333 if you're ready for this divine transformation. See as the Lord's promises come to pass in your life, dear child. Have you ever wondered why you haven't been able to manifest? It's that simple. You need something different. If you're a spiritual person hoping to transform your life and the lives of those in your personal circle. Southwest, please take note of this warning. This 1-minute prayer from biblical times generates prosperity and abundance into your life. Would you want it? After hearing it, you will begin to attract wealth and abundance in less than 7 days. Blessings will pour into your life. To learn the wealth secrets of divine prayer and how to draw riches and wealth into your life, click the link below. You are right where you should be at this divine moment, my sweet child. The Almighty speaks with the weight of eternal truth. You may be unsure of the path that has led you here, but find solace in the knowledge that every action you have taken, whether a stumble or a stride, has served a purpose in the eyes of your Creator. The intricate tapestry of your life is perfectly unfolding in accordance with His perfect plan. Don't be discouraged. The Lord, your God, is always there to support you through every trial and tribulation. Even in the moments when you feel lost or overwhelmed, know that you are being shaped and refined into the person God has called you to be. The struggles you face may not always make sense, but trust that each one serves a higher purpose. You are blessed far more than you realize. Trust in the unwavering love and guidance of the One who holds the universe in His hands. He is the source of all things, and He enfolds you in the shelter of His everlasting arms. Though the way may appear obscure, the Lord is walking with you, directing your feet and bringing you to heights you've never dreamed. Take heart, for your sorrow is the fertile ground from which your greatest gifts will come. Your pain is molding your character and strengthening your faith. Bloom in the face of adversity and never give up hope, because the Lord is your everlasting companion. He is there to share His love and grace with you in your triumphs and in your tears. He recognizes the burdens you bear in the light that shines within you and works non-stop to make that light shine even brighter. What defines you is not your struggle but your ability to rise above it. Have faith that you are being equipped for a much bigger purpose than you can now imagine. Come to the Lord, all you who are weary and heavy laden, and He will give you rest. Lay down your worries at His feet, for His grace is sufficient and His strength is made perfect in your weakness. He is your peace, your sanctuary, and your ever-present help in difficult times. Trust that He is working behind the scenes, arranging all the circumstances for your benefit even when you are unable to see the bigger picture. The Lord is showering you with His love, curing your wounds, rejuvenating your soul, and anointing you with the oil of joy. This is your season of abundance, favor, and divine purpose. What once seemed unachievable is now within your reach, as the Lord's miracles play out in your life. In the quiet moments, the Lord's angels surround you with protection and grace. A divine shift is approaching and your breakthrough is near. Every obstacle you have faced has been seen by the Almighty, and He is getting ready to bless you in ways you cannot even imagine. When the path ahead is unclear, be still, know that He is God, sense His presence, and trust that He is guiding you. Steadfastly maintain your faith, my dear child, for the Lord is calling you to a greater purpose and showering you with love and grace, but the best is yet to come. Accept the changes that are occurring inside of you because they are guiding you toward a place of greater joy, a deeper sense of purpose, and unwavering faith in the One who created you. You should also believe in the miracles that are happening and allow your heart to be filled with the assurance that you are precisely where you need to be at the ideal time for the divine type 555. If you believe and receive the blessings that the Lord has in store for you, for your breakthrough is near and your future is bright with the promise of His unfailing love and guidance. Child, the Lord is coming forth to reclaim all that the enemy has stolen from you, your promises, your joy, your peace. He is restoring them to you, and He will bless you abundantly, returning to you more than you have lost. Understand that the pause you have experienced was divinely orchestrated by the Father to perfect His good gifts, and now is the time for restoration, recompense, and reconciliation in your life. In this sacred season, the Lord is establishing you firmly in His highest and best purposes. He is opening doors that were previously closed, removing mountains that have blocked your path, and providing for your needs in miraculous ways. Every step of faith you have taken and every prayer you have offered is being met with His boundless might. He is good, He is faithful, and He cares for every intricate detail of your life. Dare to follow His guidance and embrace His directives. Trust Him today with all of your heart, for He knows what is best for you. He is creating a path where there doesn't seem to be one. His love for you is deep and unwavering. There is nothing that compares to the joy of knowing the Lord of hosts, and here's the undeniable truth: He delights in you, your life radiates His glory, and He is leading you into a transformative season filled with powerful changes. Let your desire for God's presence and power eclipse every lesser pursuit in your life. As you yearn for His holiness, allow it to cleanse you of distractions and negativity. Your longing for Him will inspire you to move beyond your comfort zone, compelling you to obey Him even when it challenges you. There are significant changes occurring within you. Your improved state of mind is revealing a new reality, turning the environment around you into a peaceful, happy place. Every second you devote to your spiritual development as an SP is rewarded, blessing everyone around you in the process. Your journey is abundantly blessed, and your rising frequency opens the door for miracles. Stay open and hopeful today, as the blessings you desire are getting closer, and you will soon receive gifts from the most unexpected locations. Continue to tune into the divine direction that your soul is. Your intuition, which is whispering, is aware of the reality of your path and is directing you to fulfill God's highest desire as you go forward with Type 1010. To confirm your belief in this message, receive the heavenly blessings that are in store for you, trust in the Lord's timing, and rejoice in the awareness that His love and grace are constant in your life. God, I am grateful that You have given me life and happiness, and that You have led me down the path of peace, salvation, and tranquility. I love You and appreciate Your support by watching. Click the subscribe button to receive updates whenever new videos are released.